Looking for garage door repair Portland? Apex Garage Doors Repair offers professional services, including garage door spring repair, opener installation, and full door replacements. Our experienced technicians provide same-day service to keep your garage door operating safely and efficiently. If you need garage door repair near Portland, Oregon, trust us for high-quality parts, expert solutions, and competitive pricing. For fast and reliable garage door repair in Portland, Oregon, call Apex Garage Doors Repair today.